Most people think self-improvement is complicated, but what if it was effortless? Just 3 simple habits can completely transform your life. No fancy routines, no overwhelming plans. Let's break it down. Rule number 1, the 5-minute rule. Whenever you feel stuck or unmotivated, tell yourself, I'll do it for just 5 minutes. That's it. Because once you start, momentum takes. This works for workouts, studying, cleaning, even that one task you've been dodging for weeks. Rule number 2, the 1-page rule. Read 1 page of a good book every single day. Sounds too simple, right? But 1 page becomes chapters. Chapters become books, and books become the knowledge that shapes your mind and your future. Rule number 3, the reflection rule. Before bed, ask yourself, what's one thing I did well today? And what's one thing I can improve tomorrow? These tiny daily upgrades, they build into massive transformations. That's it. 5 minutes of action, 1 page of learning, 1 moment of reflection. Try this for 30 days and watch your entire life shift. Let's grow together.